Hello, 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 and welcome back to Eat to Live Strong. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 21. Christmas is approaching, and I am super excited. I have the music piped in, but you will not hear it on this video. Just imagine all the wonderful Christmas songs and the memories. That's why today I am sharing with you my formal dining room Christmas tablescape. As I was putting together my table, I had an idea to dedicate this table to my late grandmother, rest in peace. She absolutely loved God, Christmas, family, and antiques. But our family theme this year is icy. So, who's to say a table has to match when there's so many different, beautiful jewels to express our decor? So, I am mixing the table up with some antique oldies, DIYs, and newbies. So let's get started with the China collection, which I have used on other tablescapes. It is from my wedding registry by Eve Sham. The charger was purchased from Tuesday Mornings, and my napkins are a DIY that I made with satin fabric, blue napkins that are all embraced by a napkin ring that was purchased in 1990 from Pure One. And yes, guess what? I used a flower from the Dollar Tree, and we have to have a piece of candy on the table as well. My beverage glasses, wine glasses are all part of my wedding gifts from 1988. The candle holders were a gift from my best friend for my wedding gift as well. The sugar and creamer set crystal was also a wedding gift. The flatware is a newbie. These beautiful cake plates were given to me by my grandmother, and the utensils were wedding gifts. This beautiful crystal platter was given to me by my grandmother, and the serving utensils were wedding gifts. This is where the main dish goes. So your turkey, your chicken, your ham, your roast, whatever the main dish is, goes on this platter, and I can just see my Christmas dinner already. Now for this beautiful, beautiful centerpiece. It is a DIY that I use with decorative Christmas ornaments from Michaels. The flowers are from Dollar Tree, but the platter that is housing this wonderful piece is a waterfall crystal platter that I inherited by my grandmother. Look at the beautiful colors. It looks so icy, and the colors all match the Christmas tree. If you didn't see my video of the Christmas tree that I decorated and that inspired me of this table, the link is up above there. Please review that video. Now look who made an appearance to the table. It is Frosty. The Frosty Snowman platter was purchased at an antique shop for $7.99. It is heavy duty. Now, I've said many times this Vlogmas that my family and I are dreaming of a white Christmas. Now, to add ice to the table, my family felt that we needed more blue. So we added a touch of blue ice cubes, which was an asset to the glasses. Now, guess what? Look what the wind blew in. Everyone knows that the wind blows snowflakes. So we have blue snowflakes that was blown from the Christmas tree to the table. And don't forget, you must always have some sweets on the table. So we added the Russell Stover's coconut cream candies. I certainly hope you've enjoyed the video today. I certainly enjoyed presenting it to you. Do me a favor, please. Like, comment, and if you're not a member of my channel, subscribe to the channel and then go right next door and click the notification bell to be notified when all my videos are uploaded. Thank you so very much again for joining me today. Please be safe out there. Be aware of your surroundings. Wear your face mask, hand sanitize, and keep your social distancing. Last but not least, please give to the Salvation Army or any organization that gives back to the community. You guys have been wonderful for hanging with me today. I love you very much, and you have a wonderful holiday. God bless you. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.